Have you ever opened Facebook Messenger on a new phone and suddenly realized that
Wait, where are all my messages?
half of your chats are missing? Or maybe your Facebook contacts aren't showing up on your device no matter what you do. Here is the most
Wait,
surprising part.
it's not Facebook?
Most people think Facebook's servers are broken when this happens. But in reality, there's one hidden setting that causes most Facebook syncing problems, and almost nobody knows where it is. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Facebook sync issues step by step. Whether Messenger chats aren't synced, your contacts are missing, or Facebook data refuses to update across devices.
This fixes all of those problems.
This video will help you solve it in just a few minutes. And make sure you watch until the end because I will show you a simple reset trick that fixes even the most stubborn sync problems. Let's get started. First, let's tackle the most common issue, Messenger chat sync. Imagine you buy a new phone, install Messenger, log in, and suddenly your old conversations aren't there. You panic. You think your messages are gone forever. Thankfully, that's usually not the case. Facebook now uses something called end-to-end encrypted secure storage to protect your messages. While this involves privacy, it can sometimes prevent while this improves privacy, it can sometimes prevent chats from sync correctly between devices. Here's how to fix it. Open Messenger. Tap the menu icon in the top corner and then open Settings by tapping the gear icon. Next, go to Privacy and Safety. Select End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Then tap Message Storage. Inside Message Storage, choose Reset PIN. Create a brand new 6-digit PIN. Once that's done, turn on Autosync. This tells Messenger to sync automatically, synchronize your encrypted chats history across your devices. Now, give Messenger a few moments to update. In many cases, your missing chats will start appearing automatically. Now, let's move on to another common problem. Maybe your Facebook friends aren't appearing in your phone contacts or their profile picture aren't updating. This usually happens because Facebook isn't allowed to upload or sync contacts. Here's how to fix it. Open the Facebook app, tap on Menu, open Settings using the setting gear icon. Then go to Account Center. Scroll down until you see your information and permissions. Tap Upload Contacts. Now enable Continuous Contacts Upload. This allows Facebook to continuously synchronize contacts information with your device. But don't stop there. Open your phone's setting app. Go to Apps, find Facebook, tap Permissions. Make sure Contacts permission is enabled. Many people turn this permission off without realizing it. And when that happens, Facebook simply can't sync contact information. Once you have enabled both settings, give it a 2 minutes and check whether your contacts being updating. Now let's talk about Android account synchronization. Sometimes Facebook profile information won't update properly across multiple devices. For example, you change your profile picture on one device but it doesn't appear on another, or account information seems outdated. If that's happening, here's what you should do. Open your phone's main setting, look for accounts and backup or users and accounts. The exact wording may vary depending on your phone's brand. Then tap Facebook, then choose Sync Account. Make sure every available sync option is enabled, especially sync contracts. If everything is already turned on but sync still isn't working, use this simple trick. Remove the Facebook account from your device. Restart your phone, then log back into your Facebook account. This forces a completely fresh synchronization and often resolves account-related sync problems. Now let's cover the final fix. If Facebook or Messenger feels frozen, refuses to update, or behaves strangely, the issue may simply be corrupted cache files. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Facebook or Messenger, tap Storage, choose Clear Cache. After that, reopen the app and check whether the issue is fixed. If not, uninstall the app completely and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. This gives you a fresh installation without any corrupted files. If you are using Facebook in a web browser, there's another possibility. Old browser data can interfere with Facebook syncing. Open your browser setting, clear cache and cookies. Then sign back into Facebook. This often fixes web-based sync issues immediately. So, let's quickly recap. If Messenger chats aren't syncing, reset your message storage, PIN and enable autosync. If Facebook contacts aren't appearing, enable continuous contact upload and allow contact permission. If account information isn't updating on Android, check sync account settings or remove and re-add the account. And if everything seems stuck, clear cache, reinstall the app or clear your browser data. These are the some troubleshooting methods that solves the majority of Facebook sync problems. If this video helped you fix your issues, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. And tell me in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.